Hey, Kenny here, Porch Series number 3. Wanted to tackle inside turns from the follower's perspective when you're going down the right side of the path. Because basically if you're lined up in front of your leader, there's a middle path, a right path, or a left path. So we're looking at inside turns down the right side, or from the leader's perspective, down the left side of the leader. So it's like rock, step, trip, step, trip, step. Reason we bring this up, oftentimes what we see is in order for the followers to get themselves around, they go rock, step, ba-da, step, trip, step, instead, like making that rhythm like a short, long. What we're looking for is to go rock, step, pivot, step, pivot, step, pivot, step, trip, step. In order to make that swung rhythm, go rock, step, long, short, trip, step. And if you're working on that pivot step technique, that should really help you. So then you can also enjoy the beats between 2 and 3. Trip, step. One more time so you can see it. Rock, step, trip, step, trip, step.